So my back is like stupid tight this morning, so I'm gonna have to do some extra stretching before the block. Tweaked it last night when I was bowling the league, stretched for about like 45 minutes this morning at home, and we gotta do a little more stretching now.
It's a great day to have a great day.
Oh, cut that out. Let's go.
Why the black ball going?
I'm so getting fired.
I got the over.
Block 1, 300 over, which means for 6 games I averaged 250. That was a lot. I should be leading. Through the 16-pound urethane down there for like the game 3 when I shot 180, tried to move away, tried to move in and hook it a little bit, and it looked not great, so I moved back left with the 15-pound, tried to play a little straighter, throw a little firmer, and it struck basically every shot. We'll keep doing that, hopefully. Hopefully they lay out the same pattern the second block. Kev, did you strike the line?
Yeah, for 3 games, I shot 250, 250, 250 in a 6-game block. I went 200 over. That's Anthony Simonson. He just won a tour title last week. And by last week, I mean 2 days ago.
You went 250 over?
I went 200 over.
That's pretty good.
I probably left like 75 pins out there. I could have bowled a little better, but we're all right. We're in 11th. We'll be there when we're there, and we're going to do it better tonight. Bang.
Say something, big dog.
I think I forgot. It was a good one, though. It was a wrap. Damn. Well,
I guess we'll never know.
Yeah,
Wise words. Wise words by Simon. Damn.
Not as good as Benji right now, but we'll take that. Star Hoss?
I would have been nervous on that seventh pin. What, spare? Tonight I went about half as much over as I went this morning. The lanes played way different. I couldn't really get my ball to wrinkle off 2, 3, 4 consistently like it was this morning, which led to a ton of splits, a lot of different ball choices, speeds, rotations, a little bit of everything. If I didn't split, I probably would have been very close to the score that I had this morning. It was just the misses were much, much worse tonight. So hopefully we see the lane man press that button from this morning and would do the same thing again. It was crazy. We watched Benji Martinez. He shot, I think he was a messenger 10 pin in the 10th away from, and it was the second one in the 10th from breaking the 6-game PBA scoring record, which is insane. So he broke the 5-game record and was going for the 6-game record and just barely missed it by 1 hit. So that was crazy. Everybody scored. I went from first to about 10th, going 160 over tonight. So I'm 466 overall, sitting in 10th.